In this video, we'll try to learn about three functions: rank, TOPN, and index, and we'll also find out the differences between these three functions. As you can see on the screen, rank is a filter function, and it returns the ranking for the current context within the specified partition, and the return value is the rank number for the current context. Whereas TOPN is a table manipulation function, and it returns the top n rows of the specified table. And we'll also know about index function. Index is a filter function, and it returns a row at an absolute position, whatever position you specify. These are the various differences between the three functions. Now that we have understood the three differences between the three functions, let us create some measures. We'll create the rank, and the rank expects several arguments. We'll give the first ties as dense. You can give skip also. And the next argument is the relation. Like I said, we can give a skip also or dense, and I quickly wrote the code, and we'll use all function on the calendar month year, and also we'll use the month year number. That's a relation, and order by is the total steps and the descending order. This is the rank function and measure, in fact, and we'll also create another measure, call it as top 5. We'll use calculate, and we'll calculate the total steps, and we'll use keep filters function, and we will try to use top n, and as the first argument for top n, we'll try to use 5. That means top 5 rows will get it. Similarly, we'll also create a top nth type by index. As you can see, those are the three measures which I've dragged onto a table visual, which has a month year and total steps, and all the three measures we just created: rank by month year, top 5, and top nth item. If you can pause the video and look at the differences, you know all the ranks are given here, and this top 5 gives you the top 5. That is what we have mentioned, right? So we can, if you change that value to 12, you'll get the top 12. So we can also make this as dynamic. So we can use the what if parameters, so that we can give the option to the user to use the values on that slicer. Once we create that new parameter in modeling, we'll name it as dynamic parameter. So once this is available for the user can always make selections, so that the visual will be dynamic. So we'll try to format that slicer, and we'll make it as a single selection and tile option, and let us select single select. Once we have that, as you can see, you have that slicer up top, but we haven't connected our measures with this dynamic parameter. So what we can do is, instead of the 12, we'll replace it as a dynamic parameter value. That is a measure which is already created for us. So we'll do that for our top n. As you can see, as you make the selections on the slicer up top, you have those top n. For example, top 14 are being shown here. Similarly, we'll also go to our index and make the changes. So I think in this example, we understood all the differences between the three measures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.